Itunga ko palsa kapitungunulu ejas kaucho ward ne pepe keda hospital ward moruna kedele to soma ete Erot le nyuno tauna lo palsa abeyar agole kisi opoto etodiasi amamu ayala makech akalona kisi agolo kinerot epuputo akeroboni be mambo borotolo ebete abuko kinekolas ka bakare okau Abraham otai lodarai elosi 1 lo kaucho kojai palsa town council ngisabala bo potitunga etodoto amamuta ya alama kech tipido kwana etukunos oroto agolokin okoto city ayauna mumu konyobu ngesi otama aisina pekin.
My community is not happy because of one thing. The government of Uganda remembered this road of Agule Road and gave us just appreciation to construct this road from town up to St. Immaculate, and whereby we even requested it to be extended to Amsala where the town council ends. But unfortunately, we heard that the road is going to be worked a half of it, whereby it gave a community to become very, very annoyed. That's why you see this big number is gathered here, and they were even willing. They were saying, if Anyunyura is fearing because they hear that the rest are writing letters to them, intimidating them, that should a greater reach there, he will ban. And members have signed, many are signing, and they are saying, we are ready to give Anyunyura protection. We are not ready to miss the road.
You need the road.
In addition to that, they heard again that this road, some meters are going to be taken to another side. And yet it is their portion that they were given. So for us as a community of Kaucho A, Amusala B, they are not accepting even an inch of a meter to be removed from their road.
Meters no pona nakisi so 7.5 erai egudono Agule road nerai bizenoi adekisi ejaitoma itedojo ichiatunga no mejedi bodo bakapon data bo ba angere yakato urum no anyere road mama kola sa itiro bai aitiro toma ite ko parwa joni itejo adekisi ne pone jar bona akinen otone be aro mochare do ngina kera salakin abudo na kayena to bakase ona bo se ngarno kokosi ni ngarengo so nyobir so ngatasi sabunga pedo awuru ni tonga kereti aneni bidjeri atukona tonga ngini kere bakasi wo ekosi ko Erot edebetu ani mona bera mik apolo na dapu gana igba kini tonga iteji boru ngire pore jadi ite ti melekes e kabakana kwa boka because I blocking eto ane buna I gorelo because I blocking ngesida mama itoro bai na ara meto ano ite dikuja park itoro ngesi do road
no kesi alomoto na ara kwape edukyo Uganda National Road Authority Erot le nyono tirinyi itoni 10 itorite palsa abuda achama roja unubonibe amairena nu otauna lo palsa nepeta akaisare kisi abete abuko kinekolas tipido kwana ya otai asomrot nilu epo kwa tauna lo palsa idopito rutina angun ngesilo Agule Road lo enyuni kotoma owota road itorito semerolo township adekis Palsa Girls, Palsa Boys, Osinia, Obeari, Amusala, Itoni Kabolo, Yolosi, Agule.
Like I said, I am a person who loves this, and I believe there is nothing that cannot be solved. There is no problem on earth that we cannot solve. God gave us an opportunity to solve problems that are within ourselves. So let us engage the people who are complaining and see how best we can cut a compromise, but with the final thing that we receive the road first.
Apotuno iduposi aradi silo palisa majidi duksoka ebuni airiamun karitunga lumamu alamasi kwenye akalona kisi airiamun obu aina pakini otakan.
This letter which the town clerk wrote, which made our people to get annoyed, I'm going to write another letter myself.
Congratulations.
After the break of Christmas, the machines we have heard from the engineer, the road is going to work too.
Wow.
So let us have people be calm. We celebrate Christmas in peace. We fight criminals.
Yes.
There is no problem. You said you want to die. Why should you die?
No.
Because we want your votes in 2026.
Itunga akaulo na Eldia Munukeda RDC chida apotu ikopasi signatures lui doctosi Itunga kanin lui departos elukumite akwatakan lui monyiterotolo opukora eka tipet Kanu TV East Lawrence Okwakol Kopalsa.